What's up? Unboxing my front lip bumper for the Evolution 10. It's a Voltex one. Here we go. Just arrived this afternoon. Straight from California. Oh, excited, but so sealed up. Let's see. Or maybe I'll grab some knife. So difficult. Ta-da-da! I'll use knife instead of using a scissor. Cough. Easier that way. We'll see it. Pretty much excited of installing it. Maybe I'll install it during my days off. I will just give you some updates. Stay there, please. Totally wrapped. There it goes. Wow. And build this down as well. Wow, just like a rubber. Da-da-da. Oh, cut my hand. Just this one. Stand. Yep. And it's finally here. So It's a bumper plus a splitter. Splitter is here. I think I need to repaint this one because my Eva is colored silver and this is black. De nada.
Thầy Phong. Ayun.
There's no screw in it. I need to buy some screw. Oh, there it is. Check there. Might ever look more aggressive in this bumper. I need to repaint this one. Choosing the silver. It's just a plain black glass. Done. So here's the bumper. Here's the splitter. There we go underneath. So take it up. Check if there's a screw. So this one got it. That one. Just like that. So that's the bumper and the splitter for Mitsubishi Evolution 10. I just give you some updates when it's already installed. Bye bye.